with a young lad and I feel very sad when I hear him speak. He tells me, Barkha, I don't deserve anything. And when I probe, I realize that he means that because he hasn't used the resources of a rich father and hasn't made anything of himself yet, he believes that he's unworthy. Yes, you heard that right. He believes he's undeserving. Welcome. Welcome to today's show of how to differentiate earning from deserving. And let me explain what I mean. Yes, we have to earn many things. We have to earn our money, which means we better have a skill set for which people would hire us and pay us. We earn respect. That means our conduct determines how people regard us in society. We earn love. That means basically we have to give to get. But he wasn't referring to that. He was referring to the fact that since he had not optimized and used his circumstances, he hadn't made something from the resources that were provided to him, he was unworthy. But let's get the distinction first between earning and deserving. In earning something, I exert myself and work for something to achieve it. In deservingness, I believe that I'm worthy and entitled to something because of my inherent qualities and the resources that are available to me, or due to the circumstances that I am fortunate to have. What was he trying to tell me? He was trying to tell me that because he had a rich father and had not made something of himself, he was absolutely undeserving. It's actually a very dangerous way to think and live, because the minute you and I tread into the area of deservingness, we tread into the area of conditional self-worth. And to me, the minute you and I subscribe to the concept of self-worth itself, we are living in very, very dangerous territory. What does that mean again? It means that my self-esteem and self-worth is conditional. If I'm successful, I'm deserving. If I'm pretty and handsome, I'm deserving. If I'm rich and have made lots of money, I'm deserving. But the converse is also true. If I haven't succeeded, that means I'm a loser. If I'm not pretty, that means I'm not good enough. And if I haven't made a lot of money, that means I am a good for nothing. And it was that was upsetting me when I heard him speak. What are the solutions? I suggest 3. Here goes. 1. Get rid of the need for self-esteem and begin to realize that self-worth and seeking self-esteem is sickness. Yes, you heard that right. Instead, strive for unconditional self-acceptance. In acceptance, I simply accept my humanness. 2. In case you don't want to get rid of the need for self-esteem and self-worth because of years of brainwashing, well, you have it for free. Yes, what do I mean? Self-worth, if you seek it, is intrinsic. It simply exists because you are alive. That means just like that. 3. Realize that you and I can't measure ourselves. That means the self is unmeasurable. Sure, we can measure our actions, our behaviors, our deeds, but we can't measure our totality. I know that requires a lot of unlearning to get rid of the need for self-esteem, to accept ourselves unconditionally as humans, to realize that basically we measure only what we do and not what we are. Then we will basically go towards earning things which we require, but we can be happy just like that. Get the difference? If you like what you hear, please do hit the like button, please do share my video, and of course continue to write to me at barkha@barkhachulani.com. Till next week, it's goodbye and thank you.